Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary tutorial on the 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. Today I'm going to show you how to gain access easily to the third row. And as you can see, there is space here between the two seats, but you don't have to use that. What you can do is use this latch right here. You're going to pull up on that twice, and then to pull up on that again, you can raise the seat up and out of the way. Now let me show you a couple of nice little features here beyond that. From the rear, if the seat is in its upright position, you can lower the seat down with this latch right here, but that's not the best way to do it, guys. The best way to do it is with this switch right here. I'll put the headrest back up. And here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna hit it one time, and it's gonna lower the seat. And then you hit it one more time, and it's going to move the seat completely out of your way. So I hope that's helpful to you guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. And remember, when my YouTube channel hits 25,000 subscribers, one of you will win a gift card to Amazon for $250, not 25,000, but $250. So I appreciate it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I will see you next time.